Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. Alright, so today we've received the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. This one here is offered in black, silver, white, and a gold. I did purchase the silver because last year in the 15 Pro Max I did get the white. So I wanted to do a little change up and get the silver one. So the iPhone 16 Pro Max, this has a grade 5 titanium design with a new refine finish. It has a titanium which is the highest strength to weight to ratios. It is incredibly strong and impressive. The iPhone 16 Pro Max has the largest iPhone display ever. The new display technology allows to root display data under active pixels with no disruption. The resolution is thinner and borders for larger 6.3-inch and 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display that feels great in the hand. It is such a splash water and dust resistant. It is also the largest generation ceramic shield material that is 2 times tougher than any smartphone glass. So right there you have the charge and wear. This is the C2C. So this is a really nice phone. You can boost your productivity, explore new tools that help you write, focus, and communicate with other people. It has a priority messages and mail. It has express, create fun, original images that are fully personal to you. So the difference between the 15 Pro Max and the 16 Pro Max now is they added an action button right here on the side. You can take pictures and videos just by touching the side button. You can take videos of 4K of 120 frames per second. It has a Dolby Vision Cinemasterful, so it takes really nice videos and pictures. It is upgraded from the previous model, so the 16 Pro Max lets you record Vision's video more and also in slow-mo. So if you're looking to upgrade from the 15 Pro Max to the 16 Pro Max, I definitely would say I'd recommend it. This one is a super nice phone.